Happy New Year and welcome to E Prime. Thousands joined the festivities as the RJR Gleaner Communications Group and the Ministry of Culture hosted a live virtual New Year's Eve event. The show, hosted by Jenny and Neville Bell, saw thousands joining in from all over the world to celebrate. It featured Ja Vinci, Ernie Smith, Ken Booth, Rondell Positive, Elaine, and Jermaine Edwards. Here are some of the sights and sounds.
Coming down on my rooftop, me and my baby holding tight, doing all right. I hope it never stops.
I can feel you're moving away, baby, more every day. Ah, yeah. Said I'm more than a conqueror. Somebody say, gonna make it, gonna make it. And nothing can stop us now. Gonna make it, gonna make it.
Was just a shell before you. Loneliness was all I felt. Rock with me. Didn't wanna fall in love no more. Was so sad, I felt so many times I hit the floor.
The only friend we're below, but the one up above, keep him closer to me than a rope twist. So what your friends so you smoke with and run joke. I damn think we got the shot.
Now, Happy New Year from the team right here at E Prime. That's it. Here's hoping we have a great 2021. Thank you for watching. I'm Deidran.